Here we have a used pre-owned Uchida D200 twin spindle paper drill that's just been for our workshop. So just thought I'd give you a quick rundown on this model. And the D200 twin spindle drill, not to be confused with the VS200 paper drill. And the difference is on the D200 you have the adjustable stops, so the paper actually slides along, as you'll see in a moment when I do it, to adjustable stop positions. On the VS200 you have a sliding table, so the table slides. And also the other difference on this particular one, two drill bits. The right hand side is fixed, the left hand side is adjustable, which has got a lock there. We can turn the hand wheel to different positions to get the hole position in, further in, closer for different hole positions. I'll just leave it on the standard 80mm apart for this little demo here. The drill bits in this particular one can go from 3mm all the way up to 13mm, which is quite useful. I'll just show you that then before I do any drilling. To change the drill bits is quite easy on this. Just to make it easier to view on the camera, I'll just take the cover off. You can get inside access, but just for ease of viewing, I'll just show you taking this off. Just got two screws. To take the cover off like so. Like I said, you can get access for the side, but you won't be able to see so easily what's going on. Allen key, just standard 4mm that's provided. Got one lock. Drill bit comes out, and on this one, I will show you just on here how it works. We undo this a little bit more. We have this collar. There, so the drill bit goes in the collar, and there's a hole within the collar that the Allen key locks onto to lock it into position. From 3mm up to 9mm, standard 11mm diameter top shank drill bits. Once you go above that size, they go to 16mm, and you take out this spacer and the bigger drill bits just insert. So it's quite easy to do. I'll just pop that back. I'm going to ensure that the hole is facing our Allen key, so it will lock up on the drill bit. Just lock that up like so. And just why that covers off there, we have two clamps that come down. When the handle comes down, it pre-clamps just to hold the paper in position. And like I said, at the moment I've just got an 80mm apart for standard 2-hole ring binder drilling. I just pop this back on. So just secured the cover back into position there. Stack height is 50mm. We're not quite 50mm there, but it's just one stack of paper. Generally full ream of 500 sheets of 80 gram in one drill. And this stuff called wax paper is very good to use on top of the stack to drill through. As you can see there, 2 holes, but you just move it around on top of the stack until there's nothing left. Years ago, people used to use things like candle wax and things on the side of the drill bits. But all as that did was the outside, and the important part is the internal part of the drill bit, which is where the wax sheets are good, because you get the chipping goes up through the middle of the drill bit. Plus on old candle wax, when people use that, it splatters everywhere, all over your clothes and everything. This is a nice clean alternative. It's very cheap. It's available off our website in packs of 10 sheets. So just put that on the top there. Turn the machine on. Got adjustable positions here, so this one I'm just going to do 2-hole and the other 2 holes to make a 4-hole ring binder. Ever so easy to go through. I will then go and slide it along to the second position, pull it down and up, just turn the machine off there. So we have 4-hole ring binder. If we want to do 2-hole ring binder, we've got this middle position here. very simply. That one's preset for just standard 2-hole there, but you can move these, which is the good thing. It's not preset. You can adjust them if you want a little bit of movement, or you've got a specific job that you're doing with hole positions. If you want to do single hole drilling, that's easy as well. You just take out one of the drill bits, so you can revert to single hole drilling for swing tickets, etc., whatever you want to do. Also available are Teflon drill bits and tungsten coated drill bits. Teflon are very good for if you've got any plastic covers and things like that. The tungsten are just extra hard if you're doing a lot of board or really hard digital stocks and things. A couple of other little things on the drill. We do have a couple of stops that you can see on here for the handle height. If you want to, depending on what bench you have it on, you can undo this and control, you know, adjustable height depending on what your specific needs are. Also, if the camera comes around the back, all the chip-ins just come out the back of the machine, the rear, into a box like so, just to get rid of all the paper chips. If you have any questions about paper drilling in any way, please do contact us at Graphics.